I'm Bill Bernard, and this is Bernard HQ. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome. Today specifically, we're going to talk about DroneOps Sync. DroneOps Sync is a companion Android native application that is designed to work with our DroneOps Command module. DroneOps Command is obviously the full flight management suite. The sync component is the standalone application that allows you to pull and sync flight records from all of your DJI and enterprise controllers over Wi-Fi, Cloudflare tunnel, whatever works for you, including cellular. So if that's you and you have an interest, stay tuned because here we go. We're at the standard fly app. Within the interface, we have a few different things going on here. DroneOps Sync is our tool we're talking about today. Within the application, it instantly is checking the network, it's going through your credentials, and it's making sure to indicate right here to you that it is ready to sync. At that point, you've got your settings, obviously your local IP, your API key, which is found in the command setup, and then the various flight paths that it searches for records. So within here, it's literally this simple. We're going to hit scan. You'll see that we've got 2 flight records that popped up here. We want to go ahead and drop those. You'll see the status change from syncing to complete. It's telling me that this bottom record has already been synced previously, but that the top one has already been completed. Now, the second this is done, the parser service on board the command module will automatically update all of the relevant records, and you're good to go. From here, you delete the old records, no sense keeping them on the controller, and you're literally done. You can jump right into your next flight, or for that matter, go ahead and stow the aircraft and move on to your next order of business. Once you get into command, you can take it from there and update the flight name, give it any custom parameters you want, do all of that. Super simple, good to go. Yet another amazing product from Bernard HQ. Have a great evening. Thanks so much.